Hi, living in a regional area or the beautiful Australian bush and want an internet experience just like those in the city? In this video, we will discuss all the improvements the National Broadband Network or NBN has made to their newly upgraded fixed wireless network and how it will benefit you. At the end of 2024, the NBN finalized a $750 million upgrade and expansion of their fixed wireless network across Australia, this enabling these regional towns and customers to get internet speeds of that of their city friends. This upgrade also increased the footprint of the fixed wireless network to be available to up to 120,000 homes and businesses currently serviced by satellite. It also allowed 2 new monthly plans with a download speed of 200 to 250 megabits per second and 300 to 400 megabits per second to be created. Depending on your location will determine your internet plan and speed. If you are an existing fixed wireless customer, you may be aware of this upgrade due to previous works by NBN on the network, so now you could upgrade to a faster plan. If you are a new fixed wireless customer, after the installation from NBN of a rooftop antenna, you can benefit from these new plans also. Great internet isn't just about speed, it's about coverage, consistency, and confidence. So, whether you and the family are gaming, streaming, working from home or the farm, on video and mobile Wi-Fi calls, or all of the above, we are here to help you every step of the way. So, follow the steps across our website from 1. Check your address, and if you can't find your address, click on the Can't Find Your Address link and give us a go. 2. Choose a monthly plan. And 3. Select a Wi-Fi modem router and let's get you connected the right way.